Hello everyone, I'm Saksham Sharma. I'm back with the updates on TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring. And in this video, I will answer the queries that we have received in the comment section of our last video that we uploaded on 29 July. If you have any more queries, you can let us know in the comment section. We'll make another video to answer them. So let's go with the queries one by one. So I got my Ignite offer letter on June 5th, but I didn't receive any survey mail updates about joining date. So basically, many times students don't get the joining survey mail. Some students in the past also reported this that they have not got any survey mail, but other students have got it. So nothing to worry. Sometimes it happens. You can check your spam box. Maybe sometimes it goes into spam, but need not to worry. It will not affect your joining. Survey is only a survey. Okay, so nothing to worry about it, and sometimes it happens. Next. Sir, I completed the BGC process, but I submitted it without NSR and C medical documents. So it is completely fine, and you cannot also submit this documents now. This is something which has to be done 15 days before, and it is absolutely fine. Nothing to worry about it, and nobody will reject you. Okay, so BGC rejection doesn't happen like that. Okay. Next, so I gave the TCS Ignite interview and I'm waiting for the result, but at the same time, MCA program in most colleges have already started. Should I wait for the TCS Ignite result or take admission in the college? I would recommend that you take the admission because you are waiting for the result. What if the results are not positive? Number one, and after the results, joining will take its own time. So you don't know the results are positive or not. So if your time passes, then will not be able to take admission. So take admission. You can always leave at the same time. Sometimes if the joining comes late, you can do a part of the course and then remaining course you can do it. You know, uh, you can speak to the colleges. Then they can allow you to come once in a week. Maybe on Saturday it's off in DCS, so you can go then, or you can have a word with them on just come for the examination so that you can also complete your MC. But as of now, since the results are not yet come, so it would be wise not to miss any opportunity which is coming on the way. So you can take admission. If at all you feel like you don't want to continue, you can leave. But if the time passes, you will not be able to take admission again. So as my recommendation would be to take the admission. Sir, if 1,000 candidates have given the interview, then how many candidates are going to be selected by the interviewer? There is no as such ratio, there is no as such rule that this many candidates will be selected. But from our experience, we see from three candidates, one candidate out of three candidates, one candidate is selected. So it remains around 33%. So 300 something candidate is something you can understand, and that is from my experience. No, there is no data like that which is suggesting it. Next, I have DTID for the last semester hiring exam. I want to register for code beta. Will I need new ID? No. You can register with the same DTID. And then you cannot create new ID also because it is linked to your Aadhaar card and it will show duplication error. Next. So I got survey to know the joining preparedness. I filled the survey forms. You can expect that I'm close to my joining. Both no or yes, because many people have got joining survey made of different hiring last month also, and they have not received their joining yet. So it is not a certainty that you will get your joining soon, but there are good chances also because what I understand is joining for Ignite and Smart Hiring for the past hiring that happened in I think January, they are getting their joining letter, so maybe you can get it. But there is no relation like that. But yeah, we can hope for it. Okay, so next question is I gave my interview for Ignite on 9 July. May I know when the results will declare? So I don't know the exact date, but I think it will come around, as I said in my previous comments, around last week of August. So hope for the best. Next, so recently TCS fired 2K employees, which will affect freshers, and also many are saying that TCS is providing ghost offer letters to show the manpower and get projects, but they don't give the joining. There's a true, do we really get the joining? Please tell us. See, the first thing, 12K employees, they are middle level and senior level, so you don't have to worry about it. freshers will be unaffected by this. And second thing is ghost offers. No, TCS is very ethical company. They have even honored the offers at the time of COVID as well. So don't worry, TCS is a credible company when it comes to doing things. It is not, a company just like any other company. They are ethical, and definitely they will honor all the offers, they have provided. And it can take some time, but definitely you will get the joining. So don't trust on such information. I can tell you from all my experience of working in TCS that, definitely they will give you the joining. Sir, I have entered my college wrong. Shri Krishna. That is completely fine. This is a common mistake done by many students. Even many times the college name is also same and do different states. So need not worry about it. That's okay. सर मार्कशीट कैसे अपलोड करनी है, बैकलॉग की करनी है क्या मार्कशीट? सो यू हैव व्हेन यू हैव अ बैकलॉग यू हैव टू अपलोड फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट इन द फर्स्ट टाइम. जब वहाँ पे ऑप्शन होगा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट क्या आपको अपलोड करनी है, फिर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट के बाद जो पास हुए थे उसके बाद वो वाली करनी है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट सर मेरा TCS इग्नाइट इंटरव्यू जुलाई को हुआ था. ओके, आई जस्ट आंसर दिस. अगस्त 10 तक वेट करिए आप. सर इंटरव्यू was on 8 July. I got the issue in document verification, mismatched details of father's surname, and I've told them I'll make this sure that I'll get change in Aadhaar card. It has been updated. When will the result come? Results will take some time. I hope it come by August end. And in case of yours, they will also ask for document verification, and that is where you can share your updated Aadhaar card to verify. Okay. Next, I asked my college COE related to expected data portion and finance and marks memo. Is only. Okay, so that's completely fine. You can go with the memo. They should accept it. It is okay. And then, if at all something you want to get it, so you can get a bona fide letter. Get it written over there that you are a student of this college and you have completed your degree with this much CGPA. That's it. So that will also work. Okay, don't worry. Next, sir, as you say, smart candidate can be assigned to ITIS. Okay, so basically initially smart candidates are given this role, but later if they want to switch to any other role they can switch it. I myself have seen so many ITIS candidates going into cybersecurity or any other role later. But yeah, you have to be there for certain time into a support project of ITIS. Later, depending upon your skill and interest, you can change your project as well. ओके सर, जिन्होंने 2 जुलाई से 12 जुलाई तक इंटरव्यू दिया है उनके ऑफर लेटर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन कब तक आएंगे? आई ऑलरेडी आंसर. इसकी कोई फिक्स डेट नहीं है, बट अगस्त 10 तक मुझे लग रहा है आ जाना चाहिए. सर, आई हैव नॉट बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट. आई हैव प्रोसीड बर्थ एफिडेविट फॉर्मेट. एफिडेविट यू कैन डाउनलोड इट फ्रॉम द डिस्क्रिप्शन सेक्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. उसमें लिंक है, वहाँ से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो और बर्थ एफिडेविट आपको उसमें मिल जाएगा एंड यू कैन अपडेट दैट. Next, hello sir, attending 4th July, time of application name and Aadhaar name was mismatched. They asked if I can change. They asked if I change the name in application of Aadhaar card. I agree that time with the change name of Aadhaar card, but I will change Aadhaar card name application name. What can I do? आपने ऐसा क्यों बोला? क्योंकि आधार कार्ड में नाम चेंज हो जाता है, एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में चेंज कराने में मुश्किल होती है. तो आधार कार्ड आपके मार्कशीट्स के बेसिस पे चेंज हो जाता है. यू कैन गो टू आधार कार्ड अपडेशन सेंटर एंड यू कैन गेट दैट अपडेटेड. But application form में नाम change करना is very difficult. So if you get selected, maybe you have to get your Aadhaar card updated. Next, Ignite results as I am answering, it will take some time. August 10 तक मुझे लगता है आ जाएगा. Next, sir, I received the offer letter of Smart Candidate 24 May, and after the offer letter I got the joining survey within 1 week. And SSN appears, So basically ये जो आपको पहले ऑलरेडी आ चुका है, मे बी दे आर नॉट सेंडिंग टू देम अगेन, एंड दोज हु हैव नॉट गॉट इट दे आर सेंडिंग इट टू देम नाउ. सो इट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड लाइक दैट, but you will not receive the mail twice. You only get it once. So if you have already got it before, you will not get it again. Next, I got an offer from TCS, a package of 2.8, and my friend told me that it's an Ignite offer for sure, because 2.8 is Ignite and 1.96 is Smart. And then Ignite will be depend upon the requirement. It can be support also, development role as well, but your training will be very good. It will be around 3 to 4 months of training that you will get, in which you will be taught all the important topics and skills for development. Depends on the requirement at that moment when you join. So it can be smart, it can be support also, it can be development also, but good chances that it can be your development project. Okay. In the joining survey form, only question of total login. That's fine. It's completely fine. It's not a problem. You should have, by the way, marked word affidavit also, because that was a portal issue, and it's completely fine. Nobody will stop your joining or delay it because you don't have word affidavit. It is not at all a big issue. Are given exactly 8 July. So basically, your interview result will come first, and then you will get the offer letter, and after that, the joining readiness mail will come. Joining readiness mail will not come without you having the offer from TCS. Second question on the joining location part, it is completely fine. So please tell why TCS is delaying result, why the report is shut down. So TCS is delaying result, and why? So the portal was having a lot of bugs. It was throwing many errors, many things were missing. So just to fix them, they have shut down their portal, and now it is active again. And without the portal, it is difficult to release the offer letters. So I hope as the portal is now working, you can, the result will come soon. That is what I'm hoping. So today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, so less chances to come result next 2 days. But next week's looks a little hopeful. Okay. Next, I received the offer letter for smart hiring on May 25, and the joining survey which I received on 2nd July. Yes, so offer joining survey is just to get an idea. It is never a committed form that they will give you a joining on that particular day which you have mentioned. So for joining, you have to wait and watch. So can I get your opinion on something? I discovered 2 short-term jobs as I had as a student. Official PF record would have forgotten to mention on my thesis application, will affect my video process. So basically, ideally you should have mentioned it, but if you have not mentioned it, that is fine. You can say that since it was very short term, you didn't thought to mention it. Number one, but I hope you had a proper exit. You served the notice period and you left the job, because if they come across with an objection that that you have worked but you have hidden it, so you can say that you have left it. You have not mentioned it because it was a short duration. But then they can ask you, do you have experience letter? So therein you have to provide the exit document, which is experience letter, because here you will be saved because of the short term and not mentioning it. But if you absconded the company, that means without serving the notice period, if you absconded the company, that can create a problem with you. So just ensure that you have the experience letter of those companies. Again, if you want to discuss this in detail, you can have a one-on-one call with me. So you can book the same from the link given in the description box. नेक्स्ट सर, यूनिवर्सिटी में प्रोविजनल डिग्री नहीं मिल रही है. ठीक है, दैट इज़ फाइन. आप लोग, यू कैन गेट a document from a college, bona fide letter that you are a student of this college and you have done your course your course is completed and your overall CGPA is this much. So get a letter that should do the job. Okay, all right. So I think we have got all the comments. Thank you so much.